A new dawn has emerged in cloud computing. The ability to handle transactions at Earth scale, and your on-premise database is simply not going to get you there. Cloud databases, when used with ScaleArc, will migrate your databases now to the cloud and scale up, all with zero downtime. We have here our on-premise database, as shown in our previous diagram. The query metrics you see at the bottom of the screen are coming from our load generator, right now about 6,000 queries per second. We will now hit the Cloud Replication button, and that will use ScaleArc to automatically migrate our data to our cloud database. You see on the map now in US East 1 our target AWS RDS database. Just by adding a single cloud database node, we already see a 4x increase in throughput as opposed to only having our on-premise. But we can do much better than this. Now let's scale up Aurora vertically. We will change the instance size of our database node to the largest size, the largest DB R5 size, which is the 24x large. After we do this, we are going to see a dramatic increase in throughput. You can see almost a 10x increase as we approach 230,000 queries per second. But we are not done yet. Let's expand our Aurora cluster to 6 regions. This configuration uses ScaleArc and cross-region VPC peering to horizontally scale our cluster across these regions. We have one logical RDS instance that's using multiple regions. Now, based on the map, you can see the primary region is still US East 1, but now we have our secondary regions. You can see the queries per second has again risen dramatically to almost 1 million at this point. Currently though, each of our RDS databases only has a primary node, so now we've added read replicas in each region as well. By doing this, again, we've almost doubled our transaction throughput to 1.9 million. ScaleArc also provides high availability with zero downtime for your databases. To illustrate this, we will take down one region by turning off the network connectivity. This removed the US East 2 nodes. Note that our transaction throughput still remains quite high, over 1.7 million. With our migration completed and our scalability goals reached, we can now safely remove the on-premise server. Even after doing this, we still maintain our 1.7 million transaction throughput. Customers rely on ScaleArc to automate the migration of their data from on-premise to the cloud, and then scale beyond to EarthScale, as you've seen here in this demonstration. Does your system reach EarthScale? Check out ScaleArc now, database load balancing and cloud migration software.